Hey, what's up? Welcome back, everyone. It is Fathy, and we have something super fun, one of my favorite things, swatches. I'm really excited. OPI has released their Spring Mexico City collection. It has 12 colors, really beautiful, really vibrant, and I'm super excited about this. I love getting new colors in the shop, especially around the springtime because that's usually my favorite season of colors. A couple of things that we're looking for in the swatches is overall consistency of the gel, whether it's thin or thick. We want to look at the coverage. Am I getting the coverage that I expect within 2 coats, or do we need a little bit more? And the biggest thing is matching. Are we getting a good match between the hands and the feet? Because we know we want our clients having matching hands and toes. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the color swatches and see what this collection brings for us. All right, so I've already swatched all the regular polishes, and right now we're gonna just swatch the gels, look at consistency and coverage, and then we'll put them all together and see how good they match. The first one that we're gonna be doing is Hue is the Artist. It's a really soft white, a super pretty color. Let's check out how the coverage of this one is. This one definitely reminds me a lot of Susie Chase's Portuguese, but I would say it has more of a pinkish undertone. Really nice coverage just on the first coat. Let's get that cured. All right, second coat. Really cute color. I'm very happy with the coverage in 2 coats. This one is really similar to Susie Chase's Portuguese, but it is a little bit brighter. So there's definitely a subtle difference. And with the whites, my opinion is the more shades you have, the better. Awesome. Let's try out the next one. This one that we're going to try out is Don't Tell a Soul. Super cute. I love yellows, especially for the spring and the summertime. Let's see how well this coverage is. All right. First coat coverage is pretty nice. And so far the consistency on both of them have been really nice. Not too thin and definitely not too thick. All right, let's go for round 2 of coats. I love looking at the consistency of polishes because if it is too thick, then you have to be really careful when polishing so you get really clean lines around the cuticle. Also, you need to make sure that you're applying it very thinly so that you don't have any issues with bubbling or any uncured polish. And if it's too thin, then it gets a little bit messy and runny, and I really hate wasting time on things we don't need to, but I'm really happy so far with the consistency of both of these. I like the coverage that I have on the second coat. Let's get this one cured. Super cute yellow. I love yellows. Let's put that one off. Now this next color that we're going to swatch is Susie's Slingin' Mezcal. Susie's Slingin' Mezcal. I probably chopped that up a little bit. This is a really pretty color. I absolutely love the shade of gold that it is. It's very fine shimmer that it has. The first coat is definitely soft, a little sheer. Let's see how we get the coverage on the second. And with all shimmer polishes, you always want to make sure that you have really nice and smooth movements so you don't have any streaking that looks off, but that one's super pretty. Really cute shade of gold. Again, I'm happy with the 2 coats of coverage. Really pretty. I love the shade that this gold is. The tone is nothing that's too yellow or too brassy or too bronzy. Looks really, really good next to a multitude of colors. So let's try this next one out. This one is adorable. I absolutely love it. It's Mexico City Movement. This one is kind of like a super pasty, pale minty, but definitely more on the blue than the green side. I like that first coat coverage. Super pretty. Let's get that cured. This one is a super cute color, and I can definitely tell you that my girls are going to love this. This will definitely be a fave for spring. What we're gonna do is Verde Nice to Meet You. They are so clever with these names sometimes. This one's really pretty. Definitely a darker tone of like a minty green. Ooh, I can already tell it has really nice coverage just on that first coat. That makes me so happy, you have no idea. Really cute color, and 2 coats definitely gets me good coverage. I'm happy with that coverage. Beautiful color, and 2 coats definitely gets a really good desired coverage. Called Mi Casa es Blue Casa. Another very clever name. I'm always looking for really vibrant and deep, intense blues, and this one definitely does it. Oh yeah, that's nice. The consistency of this polish is a bit thicker, so definitely something you don't want to apply on too thickly, just to ensure that you don't have any curing issues. But it's such a rich color. And that first coat already lets me know it's going to be good coverage. Super cute. Next color we're getting into, I am in love with coral orangey tones. This one's called Coraling Your Spirit Animal. And I absolutely love the name. It is way too cute. I'm excited about this color. I'm telling you, spring is my favorite season. The colors are just unparalleled. Okay. All right, first coat. There we go. Looks a little bit soft. We'll see how the second coat comes through. This one's kind of like a mix between orange and like a salmon pink. Really, really nice. So with second coat, I can definitely tell you that this is one I will more often than not apply a third coat. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a third coat and see if I'm getting much better coverage with this. When it comes to vibrant colors, I rarely ever want to see them sheer or soft unless I'm trying to accomplish a sheer look, which really is for nail art purposes. But if I'm gonna be vibrant, I need to be bold. Yeah, third coats, I'm feeling much happier with this color. Oh, beautiful color. Can't wait to use that one myself. All right, next we're gonna be checking out my Chihuahua Doesn't Bite Anymore. This is so cute. I haven't actually really looked at the names until this moment, so. Oh yeah, this is pretty. This is super pretty. Oh my gosh, I want to redo my nails right now. Really pretty. I'm happy with the first coat coverage, but let's check it out on the second coat. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this, but some of my clients might need a third coat. Some nail beds just need a little extra coverage, but for the most part, I'm pretty happy with the coats on the second coverage, or the coverage on the second coat. Really cute orange tone. Good consistency. Might need 3 coats, but it's a really pretty color. Is Mural on the Wall. This one is, I guess you can say, kind of like a glitter polish. Ooh, that's really sheer. That is definitely sheer. I don't know if you can see the little flecks of gold. This one's kind of like OPI's Top the Package with a Bow. That one's black that has like gold flakes of glitter in there, almost like little foil flakes. And this one has the same kind of gold flakes in it. I really love that because instead of it just being like a regular round gold glitter in there or hexagon glitter, they're a little bit misshapen. Really cute. All right, 2 coats is still super sheer. We're gonna check it out and see how it looks with 3. All right. Super cute, but definitely a sheer color through and through. This next one is Viva OPI. Really pretty, kind of like a burnt red orange. Let's check it out. I'm loving the first coat coverage. Really, really nice. And it's not a very thick polish at all. I'd say the consistency is what I would consider normal, average. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Let's cure that. Beautiful color, and I can tell you this one will totally be popular in the shop, not just for spring, but definitely throughout the summer. I love it. This is super pretty. This one's Telenovela Me About It. It's a really cute kind of Barbie pink. It also has a light shimmer. Let's see if you guys can catch it on the video. It is a sheer color for sure. I don't know if you could see it a little bit, but it has just a little bit of a shimmer. Really pretty. All right, let's go for coat number 3. Okay, that's definitely much better. Really cute. All right, the final color in the collection, Mariachi Makes My Day. This one's like a deep purple. Oh yeah, good coverage already on the first coat. Consistency is a little bit thicker, but very manageable. Really nice coverage on the first coat. Let's get that cured. Really cute purple. All right, so here are all the colors side by side. Top rows of each pair are the gels and the bottom rows are the regular. Overall, I would say they did a pretty good job getting matching colors between the gel polish and the regular polish. Slight differences that I do notice. First, in the gold, the toe polish is definitely much less glittery, I guess you could say. Definitely more of like a pearl shine instead of a glittery like the hands, but the tones are pretty close to matching. I definitely see a difference, not just in the shade, but also in the color of the blues. The hands are much brighter and more electric than the toe color is. You can do a third coat on this, but I've already tried it and it really doesn't accomplish the same look as the toe color. So it's definitely going to be a little bit of a difference. Some clients might have a little bit of a problem with it, not too much. But if we're looking for really close and like identical matches, the blues might miss it a little bit. For the sheer glittery color, the coral color, this one is super pretty. The toes are not as sheer as the hands, but that's actually a really good thing because we don't want sheer toes for the most part. And like I showed you before, if you put the top coat on the more flat coral color, you're going to accomplish, a much more full look and still get the effects of the glitter. But as far as the tone of the color, it's pretty close. The hands are just a little bit more sheer, probably a lot more sheer. I'm really happy to see that the more, I guess, darker oranges, and the red oranges are almost identical and matching. Really, really cute. Same thing for the pink, really nice. The purple, the feet are a little bit darker than the hands, but the tone is really similar, and it's not something that I think my clients would really notice too much or have much of an issue with. So overall, I'm really happy with the collection, not just the consistency and the coverage, but they're really bright, vibrant colors, and the matching is almost on the nail. So what a beautiful collection, everyone, right? I hope I'm not the only one. Let's recap what it is that we found. So when it comes to consistency of the gel, I would say all across the board, we had no issues, nothing that you need to be careful with when polishing, nothing too thin or too thick. So really good job there. When it comes to coverage, I'm really happy with the coverage that we got within the 2 coats. A couple of the colors might need a 3rd coat, just depending on your client's nail beds. But for the most part, 2 coat coverage is really gonna do it. And when it comes to matching, I was really happy to see that all the colors are, if not right on point, super close match. 1 or 2 discrepancies, but no big deal. I definitely would give OPI 2 thumbs up when it comes to that, because it's such a big pet peeve of mine when I'm getting a collection and I'm expecting hands and feet to match, and then we have 2 different colors. So I'm really happy to see that that wasn't the case with this collection. So thanks again, everyone, for tuning in to check out these swatches. Make sure if you haven't already that you like and you subscribe right down below. I'll be keeping an eye out for any new collections that are going to be coming out for any of the other brands, maybe D&D, Perfect Match. Hopefully we have some more colors coming out, because of course you can never have too much. So thanks again, everyone, for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.